Good morning, friends. After a long time, we are in face to face digital mode. Not face to face, it's actually digital mode. Previously, we are busy in conducting face to face classes at our new center in Assam. Okay. While we are interacting with few students, those are preparing for PSC or many other civil service exams. Okay. They are very much worried about the question pattern. But question pattern is already given in websites. Okay, now what is the basic rules to be followed? Basic rules are that you should go through in-depth study. Okay. Moreover, I can challenge you that each and every questions are known to you, but this is a gap of understanding, not gap of knowledge. Sometimes you know the answer, but you are in some dilemma or some other confusions. Okay. Like there was a question, which country is not our immediate neighbor? Now, what is neighbor? Neighbor? Neighbor or neighbor means just if this is the home of Ram and this is the home of Sanju and this is the home of Rahul. Okay. Then Sanju is the immediate neighbor of Ram. Rahul also neighbor, but he is not immediate neighbor. Okay. The nearer the place is called immediate neighbor. Okay. If 2-3 places are given, which one is comparatively nearest? That would be the immediate neighbor. Okay. Every country has border, and after border, neighboring country. Say our country, India. Okay. India's neighbors are obviously Pakistan. Okay. Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China. China also our neighbor. Afghanistan. Afghanistan also our neighbor. Before the partition of India and Pakistan, Afghanistan shares its border with India. But after partition, its main border of Afghanistan is with Pakistan. But there is a small corridor passes through Indian land. Small corridor, very very small corridor. Okay. So Afghanistan also a neighbor and maritime neighbor Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka also our neighbor, but there is no land sharing, land border, maritime border. Okay, sea is there. Okay, so maritime border of India is Sri Lanka. Keep it in mind, no land border, only sea is there between India and Sri Lanka. It is called maritime border. Okay, it's clear, India's border. Similarly, you also belongs to some state, some district. That state or district also has border. Your locality has border. You have to, already you know the border. But while you're passing from one place to another place, you cross some land. Okay, definitely you noticed. But in exam hall, you do not guess the answer accurately. Question may come in this pattern. India shares border. Okay. in these patterns. Or neighborhood countries, immediate neighbor. Okay. Say you are from West Bengal. Okay. Say you are from West Bengal. You may be belongs to Assam. But I am taking example of West Bengal. In case of India, all the borders are international border. Okay. Before these all are different countries, international borders. In state, there would be border of national border, state level borders, and also as well as international border, because some states may be adjacent to another country. Okay. So in case of international borders, West Bengal shares the borders with obviously Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh shares its border with West Bengal, long border. Okay, then India shares border with Nepal and Bhutan. Here no concept of Pakistan or China border, because West Bengal don't share borders with Pakistan or China. It shares its border with international border, obviously international border, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. Okay, and national level border, states borders are which is Sikkim. Sikkim shares its borders with West Bengal. Sikkim, then Bihar. Bihar shares its border. Okay, Kishanganj is Bihar. Okay. Then Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand. When you're moving towards Calcutta from Alipurdwar or Jalpaiguri, there is a station Pakur in Jharkhand. Okay, previously it was Bihar, undivided Bihar, now it's Jharkhand. Okay. Also India shares border with Odisha. Odisha or Odisha, whatever the point side means. Okay. Odisha shares its border with West Bengal. So, international border, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and national level border, state level border, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha. Okay, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha. So, all are state level borders. Okay. Now, you belongs to some district that also shares border. That district may share international borders, states borders, or it can share border with another district of the same state. Okay. I am taking the example of Jalpaiguri. Okay. In the example of Jalpaiguri. Say you are belongs to Jalpaiguri district. Jalpaiguri shares its international border with Bangladesh. There are many districts of West Bengal that shares border with Bangladesh, because it is the largest border. Okay, Indo-Bangladesh border, and that's also West Bengal and Bangladesh border. Okay, West Bengal divided for Bangladesh. During the partition, Bengal also divided. So naturally, it shares border with Bangladesh. It's a long border. Jalpaiguri shares its international border with Bangladesh. Previously, it also shared border also with Bhutan. But now that border, after the carving, Jalpaiguri district, Alipurdwar district from Jalpaiguri, Alipurdwar is now a separate district. So, Bhutan border is in Alipurdwar district. So, it's now not part of Jalpaiguri district. So, Jalpaiguri only shares international border with Bangladesh. And it shares many borders with many districts like Darjeeling. Adjacent town is Siliguri, and Siliguri is in Darjeeling district. Jalpaiguri shares another border with Kalimpong district. Kalimpong district, Darjeeling district, okay, and Alipurduar. Alipurduar now separate district, so Jalpaiguri has boundary with Alipurduar district, then Kuch Bihar district. Okay, the Nepal border comes in Darjeeling district. Nepal shares its border with Darjeeling district. Okay, Jalpaiguri shares that's district level. The adjacent districts are Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Alipurduar, Kuch Bihar. Okay, and Jalpaiguri shares international border with Bangladesh. Okay. In a similar way, and Sikkim shares its border with Darjeeling district. Okay, so no concept of border between Jalpaiguri and Sikkim. Okay, and China shares its border with Sikkim, Arunachal. Yeah. So whatever the address of yourself, you just go through the map and just keep the knowledge of such significant things in your mind. We travel frequently. Many of us travel frequently, but we did not capture this knowledge in our mind. Okay. Previously, Jalpaiguri has shared its border with Assam. Now, carving Alipurduar district, Alipurduar shares its border with Assam. Okay. Also, Kuch Bihar shares its border with Assam. Okay. So, just grow your mind to adopt knowledge. This is the Mool Mantra or basic to gain knowledge. In this way, in next class I would show the basic things. Then it would be confirmed that every answer is known to you. Just you have to understand the meaning of the question. Okay. So go through your study and just keep the map clear to your mind about the neighborhood, adjacent borders, maybe national border, international border, state level border and district wise border. Okay. First start from your mohalla. Your locality shares border with in which locality? Okay. Just take it as a game. In your leisure time, play this game with your friends. Okay. You watched so many times in gossiping. Okay. Just change the topic of your gossiping. There is a very much popular word PMTC. Okay. Just utilize your time. It's a mind-blowing game. By sitting 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 10, whatever your group, friends together, then just start from your village. First of the locality, then for village. Your village may share the international border, then district level border, state level border. Okay. Okay, friends, start in this way. Then life would be very much easy for you. There will be no exam which you can't crack. Okay, all the best. All the best to all of our students. Stay connected with us. Now we have new centers in Assam. Okay. Now I am sharing our contact number 896779391. You can send us WhatsApp message or call us. Okay. We would arrange a face-to-face class for you for grooming purpose. Okay. We have many centers for face-to-face study in Jalpaiguri, in Murshidabad, Bahrampur, also in Assam, in Assam Dhubri. Okay.